Today, we're delving into a comparison of two powerful business management tools, Honeybook and Acuity. These tools are crucial for streamlining processes in various industries. Now let's explore the key variables that will shape our comparison today. Features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's jump in. Let's take a quick look at some key features from these applications. Honeybook features include client management. Honeybook offers comprehensive client management tools that centralize client information, communication logs, and project details. It provides a holistic view of client relationships and project progress. Workflow automation. With customizable workflows, Honeybook automates various tasks such as sending contracts, proposals, invoices, and reminders. This streamlines processes and ensures consistent communication. Financial tools. Invoicing and payments. Honeybook simplifies financial processes by enabling users to create professional invoices, set payment schedules, and securely accept online payments within the platform. Project and task management. Users can efficiently manage projects by organizing them into tasks, assigning responsibilities, setting deadlines, and tracking progress within Honeybook. Acuity features include online appointment scheduling. Acuity specializes in online appointment scheduling, allowing clients to book appointments based on the user's availability. This feature is distinct from Honeybook's broader focus on project and client management. Calendar integration. Similar to Honeybook, Acuity integrates with external calendars for managing appointments, but its primary focus is on scheduling and availability management. Automated client communication. Acuity sends automated email reminders and confirmations for appointments, reducing no-shows. While Honeybook offers communication tools, Acuity's focus is more on appointment-based communication efficiency. Customizable booking pages. Acuity enables users to create personalized booking pages with branding elements and service options, streamlining the appointment booking process. This feature is tailored for appointments, unlike Honeybook's broader client and project management approach. Analyzing the pricing structures, Honeybook adopts a subscription-based model with a monthly fee starting at $19 going up to $70 depending on the tier that you select. Acuity offers a more budget-friendly starting point, beginning at approximately $15 per month for its basic tier, with higher tier plans scaling up to $49 a month based on included features. The choice depends on your business's size and budget preferences. For those desiring flexibility, Acuity's tiered pricing may offer a more tailored solution. Considering user experience, both Honeybook and Acuity offer intuitive interfaces. However, user preference may sway this decision. Acuity is praised for its simplicity, making it the ideal choice for those who prioritize a straightforward user experience. In contrast, Honeybook caters to those seeking a feature-rich platform, potentially having a steeper learning curve. The better option depends on your business's needs and preferences. Honeybook stands out for its comprehensive client and project management tools, robust workflow automation, and integrated financial solutions, though it may have comparatively higher pricing and lacks a free plan option. On the other hand, Acuity excels in appointment scheduling with a free plan available, customizable booking features, and scalable pricing based on functionalities, but it may not offer extensive project management capabilities beyond appointments. Some popular alternatives to Honeybook and Acuity include Dubsado, providing client management and project tracking tools for service-based businesses, and Calendly, specializing in streamlined appointment scheduling across different industries. These platforms offer functionalities similar to Honeybook's client management and Acuity's scheduling features, catering to businesses seeking efficient workflow solutions and appointment management. In wrapping up, our goal was to find the ultimate business management tool. The better choice between Honeybook and Acuity depends on your specific business needs, preferences, and budget considerations. Honeybook excels in comprehensive client and project management with robust automation, while Acuity specializes in efficient appointment scheduling and booking services. Choose based on whether your priority is extensive project management, Honeybook, or streamlined scheduling features, Acuity. Don't forget to check the links in the description to sign up for your preferred business management tool. Subscribe for more easy internet tips, and explore our other videos for insightful content. Thank you.